Happy Monday, everyone. I'm hoping you're seeing this on Monday. It is Friday as we speak, and I need to get this done for tonight's video. So we have a new template of the month. Vicki found a really cool one, a little bit different than what we normally do. So we have decided to call this, we've been thinking about it for a couple of days, we're going to call it Global Unity. So I think it's kind of a cool logo. I'm looking forward to carving it.
Hello.
Never mind that. We just got clamps falling from the sky. It's my dream. Clamps falling from the sky. Now if we can just have fish falling from the sky. Anyway, all right. So thank you, Lord. So I'm going to carve this. A lot of really tiny detail in here, and so anyway, that's the logo, or the template of the month. Here is what it looks like laser cut. It's about little over 3 inches tall by about 5.5, I think 5.5 long. Sorry, yeah, about 5.5 long, something like that. So it's going to be a little challenging. We've got it laid out here on the board. I'm just trying to save a little bit of time. Got it laid out here on the board. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to cut the actual 7 continents. If there's 7 there, there's supposed to be. Maybe somewhere on the other side. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to cut the land masses. I'm going to cut those outset, and then everything inside is going to be inset. That's the way it is on the logo. And then I'm going to cut these inset. So it's kind of opposite. These will be cut outset. These will be cut inset. I've got my carving liner bit inset at about 1/16, at least to do that fine detail in there. And let's see if I can pull it off. I don't know. It's pretty tight. I'm not sure I can pull this thing off, but I'm going to give it a shot. All right. Lights. There we go. All right. Let's see. I want to have this artwork. I know you guys can't see that, but I'm putting that artwork right beside me over there so I can refer to it if I need it. Here we go. So I'm actually pretty happy with that. Man, I love that carving liner bit. That thing cuts so nice. Anyway, oh, by the way, this is a piece of that cedar fencing, just a piece of scrap I'm working with. So now I'm going to switch over to the profile bit because I think everything else I can do with the profile bit, so we'll be right back. That was a little tricky. I don't think there was much time there that I was one depth. I was constantly, if you go back and watch, constantly lifting the router base to try and get those smooth lines and into those points. But I like that kind of stuff. It challenges me. And that certainly did that. Fortunately, I've got a really good piece of cedar. Doesn't always work out that way, but I got a really good piece of cedar. I'm going to go in and take these out. Just set my profile bit deeper, probably about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to take these out right here. Those, I think I got room to take those out with the 90. Fortunately, Vicky was paying attention when I dropped in there. She said I was going to take these out. So I took these out. All right, So we will come back with a 60-degree bit because these are tight areas. We're going to come back with a 60 and take all that stuff out of there. All right, guys. What did I do with my brush? There it is. Yeah, I like that. Okay. We'll come back in a second. We'll spray that, see what it looks like. All right, folks. I have used this in the past. Dad and I actually did a video about the spray, and you guys know I mostly use the primer or the ink. But I did find this a while back that it was a matte finish, and this stuff works really well. Again, I'll put across the screen the video that I'm talking about. But if you're going to use spray paint, guys, remember this says paint and primer, but it's a matte finish. So if you're going to use a spray paint, make absolutely sure it says matte finish. Otherwise, chances are you'll have bleeding. All right, let's see. And I'm doing this green just simply because that's kind of the way the logo is. This comes out super fast, so I want to not overspray. That's it. All right. So we'll let that dry, and we'll be back, and we'll sand it off. See what it looks like. All right, see what it looks like. Now let's put a finish on it. See if the finish kind of brings that green down a little bit. There it is. So I think if we'd had a little bit lighter green, I think that Spanish moss is a little bit darker than what the layout was, but I think you get the idea. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, good. So there you go, guys. That is it for today. Now what I'm hoping is by Wednesday I will have the next scene or the next video on that Magoon sign. So you should see that on Wednesday. Just kind of been a lot of crazy stuff going on, trying to find the time to get everything done. But I'm hoping that you guys found this valuable. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. I guess I haven't said that for a while. Anyway, we'd love for you to subscribe. Click that little bell icon so you get notified when we do videos every day. So that is it. We will see you guys again tomorrow, but Wednesday hopefully we'll move on to carving that Magoon sign. I want to get on those bears. So we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.